Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vatic Pro Prism Flash. PRISM 16mm carbon fiber pickleball paddle by Vatic Pro, lightweight precision, maximum control. Elevate your pickleball performance with the Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm pickleball paddle, designed for players who value precision, control, and durability. Built with advanced carbon fiber construction across the face, frame, and shaft, this paddle delivers an exceptional blend of strength and responsiveness while remaining lightweight at just 8 ounces. The 16.3 x 7.7 inch paddle face provides a generous sweet spot, giving players the confidence to execute both powerful drives and delicate dinks with ease. Its 16mm core thickness enhances stability and control, making it ideal for players at all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned competitors. A comfortable 5.3 inch grip ensures a secure hold, minimizing hand fatigue during long matches while providing the perfect balance between maneuverability and reach. The carbon fiber face enhances spin potential, giving you the edge in fast-paced rallies and strategic plays. Designed for adults who want a professional-grade paddle, the Vatic Pro Prism combines cutting-edge technology with elegant design, making it a trusted choice for recreational play and competitive tournaments alike. Whether you're just learning or fine-tuning advanced techniques, this paddle adapts to your style and helps you stay ahead of the competition. Take your game to the next level with the Vatic Pro Prism 16mm, a paddle built for lasting performance, superior feel, and unmatched consistency. Number 2. Bread and Butter Filth. Vision Pickleball Paddle with textured carbon grip surface, maximum spin, control and power, 16mm core. Step onto the court with confidence using the Vision Pickleball Paddle, crafted with advanced carbon grip surface, CGS, technology to deliver exceptional spin, precise control, and added power. Trusted by professionals and designed for all skill levels, this paddle is the perfect blend of innovation and performance. At just 7.84 ounces, the Vision paddle is lightweight yet powerful, allowing for quick reactions at the net and reliable drives from the baseline. The 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core provides a stable, consistent feel while reducing vibration for maximum comfort during extended play. Combined with its carbon fiber frame and shaft, this design ensures long-lasting durability without sacrificing maneuverability. The 4¼ inch grip size is designed for a secure, comfortable hold, giving players confidence in every shot while minimizing hand strain. The textured carbon grip surface enhances spin potential, helping players control the pace of the game and execute advanced shots with precision. Whether you're a beginner learning fundamentals or an advanced player competing in tournaments, the Vision adapts to your playing style. Its professional-grade construction, generous sweet spot, and balance of power and control make it an excellent choice for competitive and recreational pickleball alike. Upgrade your game with the Vision 16mm pickleball paddle, a paddle engineered for superior performance, lasting comfort, and the ultimate edge on the court. Number 3. Gearbox Pro Power. Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, 20mm honeycomb core with raw carbon fiber surface for control, spin and power. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, designed for players who demand the perfect balance of control, spin, and power. Built with a 20mm polypropylene honeycomb core and a raw carbon fiber surface, this paddle delivers enhanced touch, superior stability, and impressive shot-making ability for players of all styles. Weighing just 8 ounces, the G20 offers a lightweight feel that allows for quick reactions at the net while maintaining enough heft for powerful baseline drives. Its 15.875 inch by 4 inch paddle dimensions provide a generous sweet spot, giving players consistent performance across the entire face. The carbon fiber frame and one-piece molded construction add unmatched durability, ensuring the paddle maintains its shape and performance through countless matches. The 4-inch grip size is designed for comfort and maneuverability, reducing hand fatigue and allowing you to maintain control during long rallies. With its raw carbon fiber texture, the paddle maximizes spin potential, helping you keep opponents on the defensive with precision shots and aggressive topspin. Engineered for intermediate players but versatile enough for all skill levels, the Gearbox G20 is the ideal choice for anyone seeking a professional-grade paddle that adapts to their play. Whether you're honing your skills or pushing for victory in competition, this paddle delivers consistency, reliability, and high-performance play. Upgrade your gear with the Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, where innovation meets precision for the ultimate court experience. Number 4. CRBN 3X Power Series. CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, carbon fiber with foam-injected edges for expanded sweet spot and maximum performance. Unleash your full potential on the court with the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, engineered for players who demand a perfect balance of power, control, and consistency. Crafted with a premium carbon fiber face and shaft, this paddle provides exceptional responsiveness, allowing you to place shots with precision while generating impressive spin and pace. The CRBN 3X 16mm thick core is designed for stability and touch, giving you the control you need in delicate dinks and volleys without sacrificing power for baseline drives. What sets this paddle apart is its foam-injected edge design, which expands the sweet spot across the face of the paddle. This innovative feature maximizes forgiveness, reduces mishits, and gives you consistent performance from edge to edge. Weighing just 0.32 kilograms, approximately 11.3 ounces, the CRBN X Series Power Paddle is lightweight yet strong, ensuring quick reactions at the net and reliable play during long rallies. The 4-inch grip size is comfortable and secure, minimizing fatigue and providing a natural feel for players of all hand sizes. Designed for all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned competitors, this paddle adapts to your playstyle and helps elevate your game. Built with durability in mind, its carbon fiber structure ensures long-lasting performance match after match. Step onto the court with confidence using the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, where innovation, expanded sweet spot technology, and pro-level performance combine to give you the ultimate competitive edge. Number 5. 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control. Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, Invicta elongated shape, carbon fiber construction for maximum precision and power. Take your pickleball game to new heights with the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, engineered for players who value precision, consistency, and control without sacrificing power. Featuring Selkirk's renowned Invicta elongated shape, this paddle offers extended reach and improved leverage, making it ideal for powerful drives, strategic dinks, and confident net play. Crafted entirely from high-performance carbon fiber, including the face, frame, and shaft, the LUXX Control Paddle provides outstanding durability while maintaining a lightweight feel at just 8.1 ounces. The carbon fiber face enhances spin and touch, giving you the ability to place shots exactly where you want them, whether you're playing aggressively or defensively. The 4¼ inch grip size ensures a secure, comfortable hold for extended matches, reducing hand fatigue while providing superior maneuverability. With its elongated design, this paddle also offers a larger sweet spot, delivering consistent performance across the face for both beginners and experienced players alike. Designed for all skill levels, the LUXX Control Paddle is versatile enough for casual play yet built with the professional-grade engineering that competitive athletes demand. Its lightweight construction and control-focused design make it the perfect choice for players who want confidence in every swing, rally, and tournament match. Experience precision, balance, and durability with the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, the ultimate tool for players who demand control and consistency in their game.